Donbei is one of Japan's most iconic cup udon brands. Known for its large piece of fried tofu, it's a hugely popular product both in Japan and overseas. Today, we're going to turn this donbei into an unapologetically unhealthy masterpiece. Let's get cooking. First, open the lid. Take out the powdered soup packet and set it aside. Break the fried tofu into smaller, crunchy pieces. Pour boiling water up to the fill line inside the cup and wait 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, drain the water. To do this easily, without spilling the noodles, hold the lid down with chopsticks or something similar, leaving just a small gap so the noodles can't slip out. Carefully drain the water while avoiding burns. Once the water has been drained, add half of the powdered soup packet. Apparently, using the whole packet makes it overly salty, so half is recommended. Mix the noodles and soup powder thoroughly first. Once it's fairly well combined, add plenty of cheese. This time, I'm using sliced cheese that you can easily buy at any convenience store. Then drizzle a generous amount of mayonnaise over the top. Add a little chili oil and mix everything together really well. Once it's fully mixed and nice and sticky, it's done! Time to eat! Oh wow! That's incredibly rich! The melted cheese and mayonnaise coat every strand of noodle, making it ridiculously creamy and gooey. The flavor feels mild at first, but there's definitely a heavy richness that hits your stomach. The slight kick from the chili oil adds a great accent. I think it makes a huge difference. This really screams unhealthy food. And honestly, I love it. I can see this becoming addictive. The flavor feels a little too mild for me though, so I'm adding the rest of the soup powder. Mix, mix. How is it now? Let's try it. Yep, personally, I think using the entire soup packet is totally fine. Maybe it's because I added so much cheese? It doesn't taste overly salty at all. It's still missing a bit of spice, so while we're at it, let's add the included shichimi seasoning too. Mix, mix. How is it now? Let's see. Yep. Now we're talking. The previous version was a little too mild. This adds the perfect level of seasoning and spice. This is exactly what I imagine unhealthy comfort food should taste like. Take a look at this. Donbei has been transformed into something completely unrecognizable. Heh heh heh. I can practically feel my blood sugar rising. Delicious food is bad for your health. That's gotta be one of the biggest bugs in reality. And that's a clean finish. That was delicious. So, what did you think? Even with ingredients you can find at Japanese convenience stores, or even just a hotel convenience store, you can make all kinds of outrageous, health-canceling meals. If you can get the ingredients in your country, you can recreate these recipes too. Give one of these unhealthy creations a try yourself. And if there's another crazy food combination you'd like to see, let me know in the comments. I'd love to take on another challenge. Earth Japan will continue bringing you the charm of Japan and the latest travel information. See you again in the next video. Bye! See you!